Ever walk into a room and thought, ang bango naman dito, pero hindi siya overpowering. Para siyang hotel, parang spa, pero mas classy. May bagong brand na dumating right now guys here in the Philippines and it's actually changing the game. Ito ang High Essence Nebulizing Aroma Diffuser. Hi guys, ako nga pala si James Afante, also known as Kuya James and now James 3.0. And today, we're not talking about gadgets. We're talking about ambience and elegance and why this diffuser might be the most underrated piece you can add to your setup. Stay tuned till the end of this video guys dahil hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa ang pwedeng manalo ng bagong high-end aroma diffuser. Tara pag-usapan natin, let's go! Habang binubuksan natin to guys, let's talk about the brand itself muna. High Essence guys, H-I-E-S-S-E-N-C-E. Unang tanong, ano ba to at paano ito nabuo? Essentially guys, High Essence is a lifestyle brand focused on scent. Ang goal nila ay i-level up yung scent na na-experience natin by solving the biggest problems with the ordinary diffusers guys na available right now sa market. And guys, you don't have to just take my word for it. Yung quality at effect guys ng High Essence ay napapansin na rin po guys ng ilan sa mga pinaka-respetado at kilalang pangalan guys here sa Philippines. We're talking about Alden Richards o yung primetime queen herself Marian Rivera or the trusted broadcast journalists like Julius Babaw. And of course guys, hindi mawawala guys si paring Hype of Gentry Timepieces and even mga wellness experts katulad ni Dr. Ivy and even sa Urban Styles. Kitang-kita na po guys may High Essence Aroma Diffuser doon. So tingnan natin guys, unboxing natin. This is the pod, no? First impression pa lang, yung bigat niya solid. By the way guys, this is not plastic. This is what they call aluminum alloy guys. This actually feels premium right out of the box. So, balik tayo sa problemang gustong isolve guys ng High Essence. Yung mga typical diffusers guys na nakikita nyo sa labas, ito yung mga napapansin nyo or naaalala ninyong nilalagyan ng tubig tapos papatakan mo ng oil. You're basically diffusing the scented steam. Gulat ka no? Because that's actually what we usually see outside. Pero sa High Essence guys, actually that's a compromise. That's a old technology na po and it actually ruins the purity of the scent guys na nilalagay po natin sa ating mga diffusers. Kaya yung technology guys na pinili po guys ng High Essence brand itself guys, ito na yung pinakamahusay, advanced at effective na paraan and it's what they call nebulizing. Para mas maintindihan nyo guys, let me explain. Itong nebulizing technology is a advanced and new type of diffusion. Dito sa nebulizing guys, walang tubig, walang contamination na pwedeng mangyari. This provides better efficacy, yung amoy purong-puro at mas malakas kasi hindi siya hinahalo. At the same time, you get more safe and non-contaminant scent. So dahil walang tubig, walang risk ng mold or bacteria. Wala rin itong side effects, so it's actually safe for pets, kids, and even for people with any conditions. So yan ang kwento guys sa likod ng box na nakikita nyo right now na in-unbox natin dito. A brand built on quality materials and pure scent technology. Now, let's talk about the hardware itself. Let's see how it works. Okay, unahin muna natin tong model na to which is yung capsule. This is a high-tech portable nebulizing diffuser specifically designed and engineered para sa mga kotse natin. Yung build guys, it's a solid alloy aluminum with a metallic silver finish. Ramdam mo talaga again na napaka-premium niya. At dahil wireless ito with a 2,000 mAh battery, hindi siya magiging parang messy at walang manggugulo guys sa mga cable sa dashboard mo na na-experience natin or ayaw natin karamihan mga drivers. Yung 2,000 mAh battery na yan, for sure, it can last about 1 to 2 weeks with daily driving na at the same time, hindi mo kailangan i-charge araw-araw. Pero ang pinakamatalino ditong part of me guys, since nasa kotse mo naman to na basically lagi namang may saksakan available, technically once na pinalag mo siya, if ever na ipa-plug mo siya, magiging continuous na yung power niya so hindi mo na kailangan isipin yung battery. You get the best of both worlds, wireless convenience, and unlimited power pag kailangan. This is basically your personal solution to control your atmosphere while on the road. Now, you might be asking kung may capsule na, bakit merong pod? So, they're actually very similar in a lot of ways. Pero, magkakaiba lang talaga sila guys when it comes sa design, philosophy, at ideal use. So, tignan mo yung itsura. Ang capsule, mas compact, mas ergonomic, at mas bilugan yung design niya. It's designed to be discreet, to blend beautifully sa kahit anong kotse. Ang pod naman, mas structured, mas matapang tignan, it has more presence, and it's designed to be a statement piece. At dahil dyan, mas malaki din ng kaunti yung coverage niya. So, ang capsule is actually perfect for any car from a sedan to SUV. Ang pod naman is mas recommended sa mga may mas malaking sasakyan like for example, mga SUV to pick up truck. So, mas kaya niyong punuin yung bango sa mga mas maluluwag na mga space. So, paano ka pipili? Actually, it comes down to your personal taste. So kung gusto mo ng mas discreet at compact design, go for the capsule. Kung gusto mo ng mas bold, no, statement talaga yung like datingan talaga nito, ako go for the pod. Personally, medyo mas gusto ko yung pod kasi mas gusto ko yung medyo makakantong design. Either way, you get the same smart technology, the same premium pure scent experience by Hisense. Nasell na lang natin yung kotse right now. Now it's time to bring Hisense standard naman sa loob ng bahay mo. Pag-usapan natin yan. So Hisense actually give you 3 powerful, wireless, and beautifully designed choices. Unahin natin guys yung pinaka-sculptural guys when it comes sa design. This is actually the vessel itself. Ang design nito is actually a statement already, a centerpiece, parang isang art piece na may function. Ang finish niya is a beautiful metallic polished tone and its conical shape is designed for stability to guide the mist upwards. Yung power naman nito guys, grabe. It has 10,000 mAh battery that can actually last 3 to 4 weeks using the normal mode. And by the way, since it's actually completely wireless, kaya niyang pabonghin ng isang space na up to 300 square meters. It's actually a true wireless powerhouse. Next naman guys, kung hanap mo naman a different kind of elegance, mas slick, mas slim, meron tayong tinatawag na Sleek Ultra. Para siyang isang modern na torre, yung upward misting effect nito, sobrang ganda at super effective. Same power as the vessel with a 10,000 mAh battery, same massive coverage of up to 300 square meter. Ang pinagkaiba lang talaga guys nila dito is yung form factor. Kung yung vessel is a sculptural and bold, ang Sleek Ultra naman ay graceful and at the same time, tignan nyo naman, napaka-minimalist. And finally, of course, the third choice, di natin makakalimutan, the Sharp. Ang design nito ay isang parang matulis na lapis. As you can see guys sa may baba niyang part, is actually tapering into a cone. It's intelligent, it's refined, it's actually very eye-catching. Same powerful specs, no? 10,000 mAh battery, same coverage up to 300 square meter, and same advanced controls. Ang pinagkaiba lang talaga guys nila ay yung kulay at design philosophy. So, yan yung tatlong choices mo guys para sa mga bahay or sa mga studio ninyo. The sculptural vessel, the minimalist Sleek Ultra, and the elegant Sharp design. Ang tanong na lang, alin sa tatlong design na to guys ang babagay sa personal style mo at sa kwento ng bahay mo? Pero bago natin pag-usapan yung mood at yung experience at yung pinaka-importanting tanong muna, is it actually safe? And the answer is basically a solid yes. And I want to emphasize this because lahat by the way ng aroma oils ng Hisense is actually FDA approved. At dahil dyan, you can have the peace of mind that these oils are safe for kids, safe for pets, and even for anyone with any condition. So you have a smart concept and more importantly, a safe and a certified product. Ang tanong ngayon, saan mo naman gusto pumunta? Ha? Saan gusto pumunta? So mapapansin niyo guys, actually, mga pangalan ng oils ng Hisense is actually inspired ng mga sikat na city sa buong mundo. So for example, Barcelona, Paris, Milan, and St. Petersburg. The brand isn't just selling you a scent, they are actually selling you an experience. Yung oil na Paris, actually, they're giving you a mental shortcut, no? Your brain immediately thinks of a romance and elegance. Pag sinabi namang Barcelona, ang naiisip mo yung vibrant, sunny, and energetic vibe of Spain. It's a very smart way to help choose a scent based on the atmosphere that you want to create. The question remains the same. Hindi kung anong amoy ang gusto mo, but actually, saan mo gusto pumunta. So yan na! Yan ang buong Hisense ecosystem. Pinag-usapan na natin yung hardware mula sa pangkotse na capsule at pod hanggang sa pangbahay na vessel, Sleek Ultra, and the Sharp. Pinag-usapan na rin natin yung matalino at the same time advanced nebulizing technology na gamit ng Hisense. At pinag-usapan na rin natin yung mga oil na nagbibigay sa iyo ng power na i-design yung mood ng space mo. Kaya ang huling tanong, sulit ba talaga ang Hisense? Para masagot yan guys, kailangan naman natin pag-usapan this time yung presyo. Depending on the model you choose, actually, the price of Hisense starts as low as 5,000 pesos and up to 30,000 pesos. At baka isipin ng iba na medyo mahal yan para sa diffuser. Here's my take guys, no? So, hindi ka lang actually again bumibili ng pabango. Huwag ka ganun mag-isip. You're actually investing in a high-tech nebulizing machine that delivers pure scent and uses a technology na mas superior sa mga ordinaryong water-based diffusers. You're investing in a FDA-approved course, that is actually safe for your family and your pets. At ang pinaka-importante, you're investing sa mood mo, relaxation mo, and even sa focus mo. So balik tayo sa tanong, for that price, sulit ba ang Hisense? Para sa akin, ang sagot ko po dito ay isang solid na oo. Dahil hindi ka lang naman bumibili again ng isang diffuser, you're actually investing, no? Nag-i-invest ka sa environment mo, sa mood, sa sarili mo. Sinasabi mo na, I deserve this kind of scent na hindi lang yung pasta pwedeng diffuser na. Kaya kung ready ka na i-level up yung atmosphere ng bahay mo or kung nasaan ka man right now, I have the best lowest price link down, link in the description below. Direct supplier po yan. Pero teka, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos yung magandang balita. Again, we are giving away not just one, but 2 brand new diffusers to 2 lucky subscribers, guys, here on our YouTube channel. We're giving away 1 capsule car diffuser to 1 winner and 1 Slick Ultra home diffuser to another winner. And sobrang dali lang, guys, para sumali. 3 simple steps lang. First, like this video and make sure, guys, nakasubscribe kayo sa YouTube channel natin. Second, follow me on my other social media accounts like Facebook and of course sa Shopee. Lahat ng links po, by the way, nasa description box na. And third, this is the most important part. Mag-comment kayo below. Sasagutin nyo lang yung tanong, what is your favorite Hisense model and how do you think it will change your daily life? Panahon na para maranasan mo naman yung tinatawag nating high definition scent. Huwag ka na mag-settle sa iba. Huli kong masasabi, ang bawat space mo, yan ang kwento mo. Siguraduhin mong amoy bestseller, guys, yung kwarto mo. Hi guys, again, ako po si James Afante, also known as Squee James, and now James 3.0. Don't forget to like, click the notification bell, and leave a comment kung anong tingin mo sa Hisense diffuser na to. Hanggang sa susunod, guys, na deep dive in mga videos natin. Peace out!